New to networking? Let's build your very first network using Cisco Packet Tracer, a free and powerful simulation tool for beginners. Start by launching Packet Tracer and dragging two PCs onto the workspace. Then, add a switch to connect the devices. This is your basic network setup, just 3 components. Next, use copper straight-through cables to connect both PCs to the switch. Always remember, PCs connect to switches using straight-through cables. Now, click each PC, open the desktop tab, and select the IP configuration tool. Assign IP addresses to both PCs, use something like 192.168.1.1 and 192.168.1.2 with a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. Once configured, go back to the first PC and open the command prompt. Type ping 192.168.1.2 to check if the second PC responds. If you get replies, congratulations, your network works. This simple setup teaches you the basics of IP addressing, device connectivity, and how networks communicate. Packet Tracer makes learning fun and visual, no real hardware needed. As you progress, you can add routers, configure VLANs, or simulate wireless networks. But it all starts with this first build. Try it out today and take your first real step into networking.